Hi, I'm Kate Van Wilgen, and I'm here today to show you how to update your existing planters for fall. And part of the reason that I'm showing you guys how to do this is because we all have some fabulous plants that have done well over the summer, like this mandevilla, and I don't want to rip this guy out. I want to keep working with him. I mean, look, she's gorgeous. We want to add to this and not take away from this. And I have some other plants that are in here that have seen better days, and it's just time for them to go, and we're going to pop in some things that I know are going to do well for the fall. So what I have here are some pansies. Pansies are tiny and mighty. Remember, these guys are going to be able to take some very cold temperatures and bounce right back. I've got some echinacea. Look at this gorgeous color on this one. Echinacea is a bonus plant for us because not only is it going to look great for the fall, but it's also going to come out of this pot eventually, and I'm going to put it right into my garden beds. I've got a nice seasonal mum. Remember, mums for fall decorating do not have to be just oranges and yellows. Look at this gorgeous pink color that's going to play up with my pink mandevilla here. And I've got some Gara too. I just love kind of like the movement that this has when it's got a little breeze outside, just kind of makes it all come to life. So come with me as I put together this fall planter. So I pulled out some of that sweet potato vine, but I'm gonna keep the majority of it. And look, this is what the sweet potato tubers actually look like when you're done. Okay, and you can see here, we have this nice updated version. We're still playing off the same colors as my mandevilla here. We've still got these beautiful pinks, the echinacea and the Gara. And don't be afraid to throw in a few pumpkins into the mix too, just to give it that little extra fall pop.